Hi, Theo from Apify here. In this video I'm going to show you how to crawl Amazon products and extract valuable data including prices, reviews, ASINs, descriptions, seller information and much more. To do this we're going to be using the ready-made Amazon product scraper from Apify store. Before we start, make sure you have an Apify account. It's free and no credit card is required. Now that you're all set up, find Amazon product scraper on Apify store and hit try for free. You'll now be taken to the Actors input page. You can choose to either set up the input via our intuitive UI or via JSON. We're going to go with the regular input schema. There are two ways to get your data, either via an Amazon product URL or via a category URL. To scrape data from either one, simply paste the URL into the Amazon categories field. We're going to go with the headphones, earbuds, and accessories category. In case you want the scraper to go through multiple URLs, add them with the Add button or import them from a text file. One thing to note is Amazon may limit your scrape if you're planning to extract data from more than 7 search pages. So in that case, we recommend finding a suitable category URL instead. Next, we can choose how many results we want to see per each URL. Let's go with 20 for our test run. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration as a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Save and Start button. You can switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run or watch your results appear in Overview. Now that our run is finished, we can get our data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format, nitpick which fields you want to have in your dataset and which you'd rather skip. Then just hit Download and you have your dataset file. Maybe you're wondering how much did that cost me? You can see the exact amount in usage. To learn more about pricing, check out our video on Apify pricing. If you'd like to even further automate your web scraping workflow, you can schedule your task to run periodically. This can help your data stay up to date and monitor changes over time. You can do this by selecting your tasks and hitting Schedule. Now just set up how often you want Apify to run the task for you. You can also connect your results with your favorite apps or cloud services by going to the Integrations tab. If you want to compare Amazon products and their prices on other online stores, check out the tutorial on how to use our AI product matching tool to map products across various e-commerce sites. And that's it for today. Let us know what you think about Amazon Product Scraper, and if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our developers in Apify Console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.